In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify collabs to create an effective affiliate strategy. This guiding journey will walk you through the essential steps of setting up your affiliate program using Shopify's powerful tools. We'll make sure you understand exactly how to navigate these features so you can optimize your business potential through fruitful collaborations. To get started, we first need to dive into the Shopify Apps section. From your Shopify dashboard, locate the Apps tab. This is your gateway to a suite of powerful features waiting to be harnessed. Here, you'll find Shopify Collabs, a robust tool designed to build and manage collaborative opportunities with influencers, bloggers, and other referrals. Now, what we're aiming to do is to activate an open access program. This type of program allows numerous affiliates to join in and promote your products, thus broadening your reach effortlessly. Activating this program essentially unlocks a door for collaborators of various backgrounds and audiences to participate in promoting your business. It sets a foundation for inclusivity and diversity in your brand's representation, which can be incredibly beneficial for getting a wide variety of marketing perspectives and networks working for you. Moving forward, the next phase is to create an invite-only program. While the open access option throws your doors wide open, having an invite-only program complements it by adding exclusivity and a level of control. This kind of setup is perfect when you want to work with a select group of individuals or businesses that align particularly well with your brand ethos. It's like having a VIP section for your most trusted and aligned partners, ensuring that your brand message remains consistent and authentic through the voices you handpick. Carefully select those you wish to invite based on their audience, engagement, and values, to ensure they align seamlessly with your brand's vision. With your programs activated, it's time to publish an application form. This form is a critical component of your affiliate strategy because it acts as the first point of contact with potential collaborators. A well-structured application form not only collects the necessary details, but also sets the tone for what you expect in your partnerships. When crafting your form, be sure to include fields that capture both basic contact information and relevant data about the applicant's audience, content style, and previous experience in affiliate marketing. A welcoming yet informative form can help sift through potential collaborators, prioritizing those who bring meaningful value to your brand. So, there you have it. A comprehensive pathway to establishing an impactful affiliate strategy using Shopify Collabs. By opening up an access program, setting up an invite-only alternative, and crafting a detailed application form, you're creating an ecosystem where partnerships can flourish. Each step is designed to ensure you attract collaborators who not only extend your reach but also resonate with your brand's core values. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful in shaping your affiliate marketing journey. Until next time, take care and happy collaborating.